Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Biweekly Contest 132, virtually. I'm here in Columbia, South Carolina, just witnessed a beautiful wedding, and I was beautiful myself, I suppose. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Anyway, that aside, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. So I am going to do this bi-weekly contest a little bit late, and yeah, let's just get to it. Going to scroll down, and I'm scrolling down slowly so I don't, get spoiler alert. But here, I'm going to take a look at the virtual contest, and yeah, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Oh, that actually loaded faster than I expected. Oh, a double problem. And the other problem, loading. Delete the first digit and the closest non-digit to its left. I mean, that's a stack thing, but still. Right? Digit and then digit to its left. Okay. I mean, this is a stack thing, right? So stack S if C is numeric, stack.pop. If okay, we don't have to check, so it always exists. Maybe? I don't know. It's unclear from this problem, so I'll just write an if statement. And then we return. Hopefully the server is kind. Pending. This is how you get a slow time. It's just waiting for pending. I don't want to skip ahead too much. Oh man, this is what I get for. All right, ABC. All right, let's give it a submit. All right, good. Find the first player to play K games in a row. All right, you have some skills. Integer and skills are unique. Okay. The first two play a game, and the higher skill wins. After the game, the winner stays in the beginning, and the loser goes to the end of it. Let's win K games in a row, where K is 2. Return the index. So okay, so the first thing I would have tried is simulation, but given that n is 10 to the 5th, that's not doing it. But really, it's just how do you look at this, right? I mean, okay, so there, I think. I don't know, maybe I'm talking too much for virtual, but yeah, I mean, I think this is pretty basic. K could be very big, but that doesn't even matter, right? Because basically, something like that, right? And then would I have to return the index? Is this strictly graded? Oh, they're unique. That's right. Count is equal to 0, count is equal to x. Right? And then if count is greater than equal to k, then we return. Oh, the index. I messed that up then. Is it 0 indexed or 1 indexed? Okay. Oops. And then it should be true, unless I messed up somewhere. 6 and 3. That's not right. What am I doing? Oh. I returned the index of the biggest number, so it's actually the index minus count. Maybe +1. I'm always pretty bad at it. 4 and 1. Nope. I mean, 4 is certainly right. So, I mean, this is right, but it's not the first person, right? So 6. Did I mess this up? How's it 2? Oh, I see. So you count the game where the second player may win. I misread this one. Okay. I mean, I think it's still changeable, which is that count is equal to 1. I mean, I think that's the only change actually. I don't know if I misunderstood it, but what am I doing wrong? Count is greater than equal to k. Except for when it's the first person, I think. So skills is of 0, and then something like this. It's a little bit awkward actually. Yeah, really bad, but okay. But why is this still wrong though? 4 beats 2, and then 6 beats 4, and then 6 beats 3, right? Let's just say no, that's index 0, 0. Am I just like being dumb? Why is this so hard for me? 2, 1. Maybe the subtraction is a little bit weird. Am I confident? Yeah, YOLO. Maybe I'm off by 1 in like some places, to be honest. Okay. A little bit silly on that one. Okay. Find the maximum length of a good subsequence 1. In an integer array nums, a non-negative k, a sequence of integer. It's called good if there are at most k indexes I in the range 0 to n minus 2 or something, right? Such that I is not I plus 1. What? At most k index in the range. This is inclusive, which is why just like -2 is so awkward. It's just saying that. So there. So what's it's like another way of saying it is wait, subsequence or substring? No, subsequence. Okay. And we're talking maximum length, we're not counting. What am I thinking of? Okay, let's rekindle. K is equal to 0. What does k is equal to 0 mean? K is equal to 0 means that no number is different. And basically, it's not even no numbers, it's just what does this mean? K could be at most 25. Okay. Does that change things? Oh, and n is 500. I should look at the constraints first. Am I DPing? Is there a DP for 500? The number is 10 to the 9. It's such an awkward problem. N plus whatever. Oh, it's just not in a row. What am I thinking? But then, okay. Yeah. Just DP then, right? Is it fast enough? 500 times 25 times 500. What is that? That's tight. That's 6.25 mil. Can I reduce that? Well, I guess it's choose 2, so it's only 3 million. Alright, let's YOLO it. We'll see. I don't know if this is fast enough. Only because it's Leetcode. In any other platform, in any respectable platform, there should be no question at all. But okay, so we have index and then delta for k, I think. Yeah, if index is equal to n, no, we don't need to do that. Best is equal to 0, we return best, and or I guess 1 for this current number. And then now for j in range of index plus 1n, if num sub index is equal to num sub j, then we don't increment, right? So maybe we have something like this. This is always way awkward. Then now best is equal to max best go of j delta plus increment. but we have to say, I mean, that's pretty much it, but we have to check that this is less than k, right? And then now one, that's definitely not right. Oh wait, I have to do this as +1. What am I doing? Yeah. Oops. 4, 2. Okay, let's YOLO. And with time limits, I'll be a little bit sad. Oh, now I'm really sad. 0. Oh, I see. Yeah, I am just dumb. That is actually a legitimate mistake. Which is that silly Larry. I was lazy on this one. I didn't really. Yeah, I just watched this one. There's nothing about it, to be honest. Yeah, that was just silly. I didn't really think about the constraints. I just kind of got lazy, and I was thinking too fast about Q4. Well, like I didn't think about it, but I was hoping to go to it. That's just silly. Oh, and this is a harder one. What is the? I didn't even remember that. I did notice it, but I forgot about it. So this is not DP then. But is it 50? What's this? 5,000? Okay. So what is this function, right? I'm trying to think whether I can optimize out this function in a way to like a log n operation or something, and that'll make it a little bit Guccier. It's basically so if it's the same, you do not increment. And if it's different, you increment. Okay, how do I think about this? What is the data structure that I want for this? And I even had a silly mistake on it, but that's fine. So I think you could cheat, because by definition, yeah, you could cheat with like a prefix max or something. Because I think by definition, one of them is like like you get to skip it by cheating. Okay, let's okay. Let's explore what I mean here. I guess I should do it on the whatever, but still a little bit annoyed that I got that wrong 5 minutes. Okay, so we have to convert it to top down for now. What am I doing? K +1. Right. And then yeah, okay. So then now we want to rewrite it. We want to say it's for if I could type correctly anyway. Yeah, okay. And now something like okay, let's just do it the dumb way of getting it right first, right? So this is equal to oh no, I'm missing an index. That's why I was like, why is this so hard? And also this j is not that j. That's why. What am I doing? This doesn't even make sense. Like, okay, so okay. I usually use ij and k. That's why like I'm just struggling in my mind to come up with another variable. But okay, let's just actually use the same variable named Larry. So delta in k, okay. And then now for j in range of x plus 1, and are these the loops that I want to write? I don't know yet, but let's just focus on getting this right first. Is equal to well, just 1, because you always have this one character, right? I guess it's describing just like here. Okay, fine. But then now is, oh, this isn't right. It's this is equal to max of dp index delta of, or dp index j. Nope, Larry. Delta plus increment, where in plus 1, where in if no, what am I doing? You're doing it in the wrong order. Yep. Okay, you're right. I could do it in this order, but it's just a little bit more awkward. Okay, so on this, all right, just keeping it similar for now. Okay, and then now yeah, okay, I'm just verifying in my head. I think this is right, and it's just that it makes the thing a little bit trickier, because now I want pass 0, 0, and I have to check it here on every index, because it can be anywhere. Okay, that's fine. Right, so this is the DP. Am I submitting on? Yeah, okay, it is the wrong DP. It's not even. But I should check this on Q3, because then I don't get a fake wrong answer. But what am I doing wrong? What I'm doing wrong is that there are a couple of things. One is that if delta, that is doing some funky things. What am I doing wrong? This is wrong. No, these indexes are wrong. That's why. It should be J. Okay. Yeah. But then now I can do this. Okay, so J is equal. Yeah, okay. I think this is right. I mean, I just have to move this here. Is this right, Larry? Is this right, Larry? Okay, let's give it a submit on Q3. If not, I'm a little bit silly. There is some like performance hit, that's why I kind of worry a little bit. But if it, wait, what? Why do I get 0? Oh, because I put it in here. No, wait, what? Press is 0. Why is this a 1? I put a 1 here. Oh, because these are all 1s, but we don't. But this should. Oh, because this J loop doesn't do anything. I was trying to be clever by moving it up, but I still have to do this thing of. Okay, I removed it and then now I regret it. But luckily that doesn't cost me anything. Okay, good. Because I'm doing it on Q3 and not Q4. All right, silly mistakes. Let me see how people are doing during this contest. The leaderboard. Okay, so that's good. So we converted it bottoms up. So the key thing, there are a couple of key things to notice, right? Is that index is less than J. So yeah, so the two cases. So we're going to remove the index. And then this is going to be just 0 to n. And the reason why we can is, can we? No. Okay, I mean, I know how to do this, or I have an idea, and we have. I'm doing it even with the silly mistake. 1 hour and 10 minutes. Okay. Wait, that seems high. I don't think I did it that much. Well, okay. We could remove one of these dimensions by an observation, which is that how do I write it exactly? I think I could remove this. Okay, there are only 2 cases. I know how to do this. Come on, Larry. Focus. How do you do it correctly, though? The 2 cases, the numbers, right? So then now, okay. So let's start with the numbers. How do I do this? Delta. We don't do it delta. We do. I think I want this loop, but maybe that makes sense. Can I do it this loop? The same, yeah, no, you're right. No, that's right. It's just that my indexing is very poor, so it's confusing me. Or my indexing choices, whatever. Okay. So then now on the same delta we have a previous thing, right? So like a prefix array. Not a a prefix array. Okay. Okay, I know what I need to do. I think I'm just confusing myself too much with the way that I'm writing it. So I need to go back to here. This is the correct one, right? Just making sure that it's still correct, or is correct. I need to change the index. I think it's messing with me too much. So then now it becomes delta J. I'm not smart enough to not need to change this, and I think that's, I don't know, it's just too confusing for me. But I know how to do this. I keep telling myself to, because I feel like I want to be confident about it. Okay, still good. Let's give it submit, because it's a free submit, so let's give it submit. This is still cute free submission on the same problem. Right. Judging. Right, I mean, it should be okay. Okay. So then now, if we get rid of this, what are we getting rid of? We're saying that, okay. So let's say we have 2 cases. One is the same, right? So same is you go to a lookup thing, right? So then here, if same, and this is just n. If nums of j is in same, then dp delta j is equal to min or max. Whoops. dp delta j. dp. It's going to be same of nums j plus 1. Yeah, okay. I have to update that. Okay, remember to update same. So same sub nums j is equal to dp delta j. Okay, maybe. And then, okay, so that's for the handling the same, which is the prefix where increment is 0, right? So then now we could just go to here. Is it still right? No, because we have to do the... And then now we can just... Wait, what? Oh, no, we moved this, so then increments... All right, I deleted too much. Okay, so then now it's just this thing. And we do this for all index, so then we need a prefix for it. Right, all right, let me just run it real quick. Does that work? No, because we have index, so it doesn't work. What we need is a prefix thing. I thought about doing it too clever, so I'm not going to. So I'm just going to do something like whatever. Is that right? No, I think I have an extra index for no reason. I think that's why. Yeah. And now you have prefix of j is equal to dp delta j, and if j is greater than 0, something like this, I want to say. And then now this becomes it's either j or j minus 1, maybe. Should be minus 1. Should be minus 1. I don't think that makes sense otherwise. Okay. Oh, I did delete increment. Okay, that's the wrong answer, but I like your spirit. Oh no, this is not delta. This is delta minus 1. Whoops. That's why it's, I mean, I don't know if that's why, but alright, that's just very funky. But that's actually, that's because delta could be 0, so it's doing some crazy things maybe. I don't know. This is also weird. Maybe I should have done a, this should be an n+1 array. I mean, that's why. But in any case, maybe that's good now. If statement block, what? Where am I looking at? Line 14. Oh. Yeah, okay, fine. I don't know if this is what. Okay, 421 again. Was this supposed to be a 1? This is supposed to be a 1, right? Let's give it a submit. YOLO submit. Alright. Let's put it here. Alright. This is a tricky one, but I don't know if I was confident about it, but I saw the direction. Yes. Alright. Half an hour or so with one silly mistake. Yeah. That will go down for a little bit. Alright. Do I have anything to add before I'm done? No, I mean, I think this was, I like this Q4. I think there was one upside. I mean, I think some of it is just practicing on Leetcode as well, because oh well, this is another old solution. I used so many wrong answers on this, but well, one of them actually was wrong answer. Yeah, let's just put this back here so I don't forget. But there was also the DP version that I submitted, which I think is also a good clarity, even though I also made some silly mistake on this. Like the slower DP version is an interesting one. But yeah, I mean, I think I'm getting better at optimizing this function, which is why I wrote it out like this. And I'm like, okay, now that I have this correct, I can optimize it, the one dimension. But yeah, with a key observation. But yeah, yeah, I mean, I can't complain other than, you know, maybe if I did this live during the contest. I don't know what's going on here. Not many of the people I maybe expect on top are on top. Q4 is tough though. I mean, Q3 finishing time I could see. Q4 is tough. But yeah, that's all I have for Biweekly Contest 132. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. And yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.